Good morning, everybody. We've been sleeping in this tent all night long because, we don't have a house. We're kind of homeless. I don't know who put this tent here, but it's time to rise and shine. Guys, Chad,
Yeah.
wake up, guys.
Is it morning already?
It's morning.
V, wake up.
I had a good time.
V likes to sleep as much as possible.
Oh, wait. My phone's ringing,
Yeah, I
guys.
hear it.
V, wake up. My phone's ringing. It's from the unknown number again.
I'm not a morning
Oh,
person.
it's the same guy. It's the guy who took the Tesla.
All right, let's answer it. Hello?
For your Tesla, walk to the House of the Rising Sun.
House of the Rising Sun. So he's inviting us over to his house?
Oh no.
So okay, where does the sun rise?
Okay.
It rises
Well,
in the
it's rising
east.
right now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that way's east.
It is rising that way.
So if we walk that way, he'll
Invite us to his house and we'll meet who this mystery guy is.
give us our Tesla back.
Hopefully.
I guess let's walk
All right, let's get
east.
Let's get going.
The sun is rising over there.
Yeah.
So that must be where this house is.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, I'm getting another phone call.
Oh, is it the same guy?
Yes, it says unknown. It has to be him. All right.
Oh, speaker it.
Speaker. Okay.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello.
A special package of mine was taken by Project ZORGO. Please get it back for me and you shall have your car.
Wait, how do we know we can trust you? Who are you?
Yeah, who are you?
Oh, he
Hung up. Oh.
Okay. Okay, so he said one of his packages was stolen by Project Zorgo.
Okay.
And if we get it back to him, we get our car back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the nearby park? Is that what he said?
I don't know if he said park, but you heard park? Okay.
I don't know, but we should just probably head east.
Keep heading east.
Keep
okay.
and then
heading
maybe
east.
we see a park, then
Yeah.
or a package, then it's probably there.
All right. So
Okay.
we're looking for a package
Let's keep walking, yeah.
this way near a park. Okay. Let's keep going, I guess. Yeah. So much weird stuff's been going on. So it all started right when we had to leave the safe house.
Yeah,
Yeah.
a bunch of hackers showed up. It was crazy. We had to run out.
I think the safe house is totally gone. We can never go there again.
Yep.
And we were kind of homeless.
Yeah, and this is the second time this happened. We had to leave LA. Now the second safe house has been compromised.
Yeah.
So we're homeless again.
I know.
And at least we had V's Tesla. But then the Tesla got taken by this mystery guy. He had this old voice or something. And he's like, oh, I took your Tesla. I'm doing something good. Don't worry, I'm a good guy. He said that the hackers were transporting a box, something that he owns, the hackers stole, and we have to get it back for him in order to fix the Tesla or something.
Yeah.
I don't know. Is this person part of Project Zorgo too? Is he a hacker? Are we going to the park as a trap? What do you guys think? Comment below if you think this mysterious person is a hacker or not.
Yeah.
We're looking for a package and looking for Project Zorgo members.
Yeah. Okay. So this is definitely a park. They could be around here anywhere.
Yeah.
To
It's
see.
a really big park though. There's tons of trees. I don't even know how we're gonna find them. It's so big.
Yeah.
It goes for miles and miles.
All right. So we're in this huge park and we're looking for a package, which could be very tiny. Do you guys have the drone that I got for Christmas in your backpack?
Actually, I do have it in my backpack. Remember?
Oh, okay.
You do? Oh
We're
yeah,
flying
yeah.
it around. Yeah. Let's get it out. Got the drone.
got
Let's
it?
get this flying, Daniel.
All right. Awesome.
You're really good at flying it, so here, I'll grab
Oh,
the
thank
camera
you.
from you.
Okay.
All right,
Daniel, guys.
V, you guys ready?
Yeah. Ready for takeoff?
We're gonna fly.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Here we go.
There it goes. Whoa. Awesome.
Okay. There we are. See, it's working. All right. I'm gonna take it up in the air now. Here we go.
Going up. Woo! It's way up there. Wow, it's the Las Vegas Strip.
Yeah, Las Vegas Strip right there. Beautiful.
All right, you guys keep an eye out for any hackers. Let us know in the comments below.
Exactly, or a package. So we're looking for a package.
So see how big this park is? Jeez.
It's
so
a huge park.
All right. I guess I'm gonna go fly this way.
Okay. Ooh, you're way high in the air, way above the trees, Daniel.
Okay, that's good. That's a good thing. What is that right there?
Is that it? Oh, what is that?
What is that?
I don't know.
Can you go down lower?
I can go down lower, yeah.
Let's see. Garbage? Garbage
Yeah, it
can?
looks like it's just a bunch of garbage.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Okay.
False alarm, bunch of
All right.
garbages.
We'll go back up in the air then and we'll keep trying.
Okay.
Yeah.
Does that mean?
Maybe we're close?
Maybe we're, yeah.
Is it?
Wait, you guys see that? Look right there.
Oh,
There's something right there.
okay, yeah, let's investigate. There you go, yeah, let's get down nice and low here.
Kinda looks like it could be a package, right?
Yeah.
Maybe.
It looks cube.
Get down lower to it here. Wait, that definitely looks like square of some sorts.
Yeah.
You see it? What is that?
Oh,
Oh my
Wait,
gosh.
that's a cardboard box.
That is a cardboard
Oh,
box.
package.
whoa.
There's something on the cardboard box.
Let's go closer.
Wait. Whoa,
There's chains.
There's chains on it.
Oh my
Wait,
gosh.
chain.
Chains. That's the same package.
Yeah, that was on our front doorstep at the safe house. It was
Yeah,
on
it was.
slime, remember that?
Yeah, the slime package with chains on
Yeah,
it.
and it kept like moving once in a while when I was trying to develop those pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe we should just run towards the package.
Okay, yeah, let's do that. Okay.
All right, ready, guys? Let's go to the package.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna finally see what's in that box.
There it is. There's the box.
Oh wait, guys. Guys, there's hackers right there.
Over here. Look at this tree. There's those hackers that phone caller was talking about.
Just kicked it.
Yeah, what are they doing with the box?
No, they're ruining our plan.
Shoot.
What's going on?
He just took the chain off the box.
Oh my gosh. Okay, they're opening it.
What is that?
Looks like it's really heavy.
Wow.
They're
Both
carrying
carrying.
something.
Wow. 2 of them.
It's.
It needs 2 people to carry whatever they're carrying.
Yeah.
What is it?
Let me see. I don't know if I can. Some sort of plate. It's something shiny. Okay, should we follow him?
Yeah. Let's see where they're taking it.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wait, there's that car, guys. The stolen car. Okay. Hey, where's the other hacker? Oh, there it is. It's like a big metal plate or something.
Oh, you're right.
It looks really heavy because they have to, 2 people have to carry it. They're loading it into the car.
What is that?
I don't know.
Why did that guy want us to retrieve whatever that is?
I feel like whatever it is, it's important and
Yeah.
we need it.
Yeah, we need to get it.
We gotta. Oh, wait, guys.
Wait, I think they're going back. There must be more in the box.
Oh, they left the trunk open.
Oh, sweet. Let's go over there. There it is. Piece of metal.
Yeah, you're right. It's shiny.
And look, they left my ninja sword in here too.
They did.
All right, let's grab the piece of metal.
Okay.
You guys, I'm holding the camera, so you guys grab that. Here, I can hold that.
You can
for
hold the remote?
Daniel.
Okay.
All right.
Ready, V?
1, 2, 3.
Oh gosh.
It's that heavy? Jeez.
You got it? You got it?
Okay.
I got it.
Okay.
Got it.
Where should we bring it?
Guys, they're coming. They're coming. Here,
Okay.
around to the side of the car right here. Hide behind the side of the car.
Oh gosh. Okay.
Okay. Right here. Okay, you better set it down.
Let's sit on the ground for now.
Okay.
Okay, cool. All right. Where are they? Let's see if I can take a peek here. Wait, here they come. Shoot, there's nowhere else to hide, guys.
There's no escape.
All right, just hide behind the car here. Okay.
Maybe we'll hide here, and they'll go back to the box, and then
Yeah, then we can get out
we'll
of here.
steal that one too.
Okay, cool.
We'll go, and then we'll go.
Wait, shh, shh.
Wait, there's only one plate in here. Yeah. Where's the plate? I swear it was in here. Where's your plate, dude?
Guys, they realize the plate is missing, so they're looking for it.
They're definitely onto us now. So
Yeah.
What do we do?
I don't know. We better keep.
Put it in here.
We can't let them find us.
We just put the other one. We put
Wait.
it here together.
I think they're coming. I think they're coming this way. Let's sneak around here.
Okay.
It's right over here. Maybe the wind. The wind blew it. I don't know. The wind flowed it. I swear I don't remember putting it here.
Guys, they got the other plate now. Okay.
Okay, Daniel, since you have the drone, maybe you should fly it to distract them.
Yeah.
Distract them?
Yeah, with the drone.
Okay, it's still up in the sky. What if I just fly this thing right into the hackers?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's
Do it,
that.
do
I
it.
wanted to do that last time. Okay.
All right, cool.
All right.
The drone is still in the air.
Still in the air.
Okay.
Okay.
I hear it. You're flying it towards us. I hear it coming.
Oh yeah, look, there we are. There we are right there. Okay, yeah, see.
Did you get the one closest to us?
You get that guy right there?
Yeah, get that guy.
Ram into him? All right, here we go.
Just run it.
You got it.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, you ran right into him. Oh, he's running away. They're both running away. Ha ha. See you later, hackers. Awesome.
They're running away now.
Awesome
Okay,
work,
awesome.
Daniel. Awesome work.
Let's
Let's go get
All
the steel, yeah.
Let's go. All right, cool. So, all right.
these guys.
Oh,
my
wait,
gosh.
there's 2 plates. All right. Okay, so I'll grab this. How are we gonna carry? You guys can both carry all those plates.
Here, I'll take the camera, Chad.
All right,
you
cool.
carry it.
Yeah.
Oh, here you go.
All right, you're very strong, all right?
All right. Oh, there's 3 metal plates here.
Oh,
my gosh,
okay.
it's heavy. Okay.
So where do we gotta bring this?
I don't know. This way.
Oh, come on, you guys, you can do it.
Okay.
I think there's one more over there. We should go get the other one too.
In the box?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here's real.
Okay. Maybe we can hide it behind a tree for now or something.
Yeah, let's put it behind a tree where they can't find it.
Okay.
Guy right here.
That one right there.
Right here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, put it down.
Okay.
Put some leaves on it.
All right, perfect.
All right, they won't see that. Okay. All right, let's go get that other metal plate.
All right, let's go.
Here it is. Here's the box. Oh my gosh, there's
Tons of
metal
them.
plates
There's
in
lots
here.
more in here, yeah.
There's probably like 20 metal plates. Let's get one more. Okay, we need to hide all of these.
Yeah.
Well, maybe we should just bury them all underneath leaves and then tell that mystery caller where we hid them all. He can come get them himself.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Is there enough leaves?
Yeah, we'll get enough leaves. Let's keep doing it.
Keep going?
Yeah.
Guys, I think that's the last ones.
Last one.
Actually, we got 2 this time.
Yeah.
We've
I just
moved,
want it to be over already.
we've moved about 20 of these now.
Yeah, right
Put
here
it here.
is good.
All right.
Bury it with leaves.
Yeah. And then we'll just have to tell that mystery caller.
Wait. Oh, my
Phone's ringing.
My phone's ringing again.
All right.
Okay, it says unknown. I think it's just the same guy.
Maybe that's him.
All right, I'll put it on speaker.
Okay.
Here,
V, get in here.
Well done with the drone. Now that you have my plates, please drop it off at my location.
We can't drop them off at your location because each one weighs like 100 pounds. So here's what we did. We buried them next to these trees in the park. We can send you the location of the trees and you can come retrieve them if you like.
Yeah, how's that sound? Is that all right?
Bring one plate to the location so I know it's real.
It's really heavy. All right, we can bring one. That's
Okay,
fine.
We'll bring one, yeah.
And then we'll tell you where we buried the rest, okay?
Yeah. By the way, who are you?
Yeah, who are you?
What's your name?
You shall know in due time, my friend.
You said that last time.
Hello? Are you still there?
Hello?
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 So
Yeah.
so we have to bring one with us, but where are we supposed to bring it?
You didn't say.
Wait, you just got a text message.
Oh.
What does the text message say?
It says, leave one by the tree with the red roses near the street.
Okay,
street,
where's
okay.
that at?
Rose.
Over there. Way over there.
You're
with the
right.
red roses.
Yeah, right there. Okay.
Yeah, that's next to the street. Okay, we gotta bring one then.
Oh my gosh, okay.
Okay, here, I'll take the camera.
All right, thanks, V.
You're doing a good job, you guys.
Here's the red flowers in the tree. Put it by the side of the street, he said?
Side of the street, yeah.
Okay.
You know what we should do? We should hide behind somewhere and see who picks us up and find out once and for all who this mystery guy is.
We need to figure out who this guy is.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, let's hide out over here. This would be a good spot to hide out behind this wall.
Okay. All right. This is a nice hiding spot.
Okay.
All right, yeah, this is definitely a good hiding spot here. We'll see who picks this stuff up.
Yeah. I mean, I don't even know what this stuff is that the guy's picking up. Like, why does he need it? What did you say it was, V?
Yeah, it looked like stainless steel or something.
It did,
Stainless
it did,
steel.
yeah.
What is stainless steel used for?
It's like metal that doesn't rust. It's used in a lot of things. Didn't he say he was planning on fixing the Tesla with it or something? I'm not sure.
I know, like, appliances use stainless steel.
Like
they're
refrigerators.
Yeah,
Refrigerators,
refrigerators, yeah. And
Yeah.
that's really durable. So I don't know what he's doing with it. And what does that have to do with the car?
Is he gonna turn your Tesla into a refrigerator or something? Just kidding. I don't think
hope
he'll do
not.
that. Would be really bad.
Yeah, I mean, it would be much more helpful to have a car right now and just get the heck out of here.
Yeah.
Exactly,
And stainless
exactly.
steel is kind of heavy. So, like, will it run on the car? You know, like, that's a lot. Like, it's going to be a ton.
Yeah.
Or maybe he's tricking us this whole entire time. And
Maybe he works for Project Zorgo.
I know.
Yeah, maybe.
Project
you know?
Zorgo, they almost got us back there with the box.
Exactly. And Project Zorgo tried to take my Tesla before.
Yeah.
So
they're always trying to hack your Tesla.
yeah, so maybe they're trying to hack it again, and this is just all a trick. Who knows?
And speaking of hacking, we definitely need you ninjas helping us out on the Spy Ninja Network. Definitely download. There's a link down below in the description to download it on your phone or on your tablet. And if you guys can help defeat the virus that Project Zorgo is putting on our network, that would be amazing. And V and I actually programmed in a hacking spy tool into the app. So you guys can actually hack into Project Zorgo if enough of you do it. So check that out as well, guys. Link down below. We need all of you helping us as much as possible.
Yeah, but for now, we're gonna keep camping out here and see who picks up that stuff. So stay tuned for the next video when we find out who this guy is.
Yeah, we gotta find out who that is.
Yeah, so make sure you click right here to see that video. And thanks to everybody who gets here during the first 60 minutes of every video. I'm showing your comments down below. Make sure you subscribe to V, make sure you subscribe to Chad, and of course, make sure you subscribe to this channel right here, Exposing Project Zorgo.
Should we do a kick bump?
I guess let's do a kick bump.
Yeah,
Let's do a kick
Let's
bump.
do it.
All right, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Kick bump!